Hello everybody, welcome back. And today also we have got you another very useful video for you all, and this video going to be about how you can remove an Instagram account on someone else's phone. So yes guys, but before we start with our video, please do like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, we will simply start our video. Let's see, okay, scenario, you are logged in right in your mom's or your dad's, or maybe your partner's phone, but you did something and you have something in your Instagram account that you don't want those people to find out. So for that purpose, what you gotta do is, let's go ahead, open our Instagram, and once our Instagram is open in our phone, we will go to this profile icon given below. We'll tap on this three horizontal line, tap on the settings icon over here, and we will tap on this security option. Tap on this password. So of course there is no magical way for you to just like imagine and manifest and that will just get logged out from like other people's phone. For that purpose, what you can do is simply go ahead, enter your current password over here, enter your new password that you would like to change to, and re-enter your new password. Simply go re-enter your new password and tap on confirm. Once you're done entering all of the information, what that will do is that will change your password, and since you're doing it from your current account, you will be logged in right there in your account in your mobile phone, but you will get logged out from a previous one because the password has been changed. So yes guys, this is a very witty and smart way you can get logged out of on somebody else's phone. So yes guys, and yeah, this is it. I hope this video was useful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.